Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 35. What is a symmetrical triangle? The answer is, price is making lower highs and higher lows contracting in a symmetric fashion.
Code number 29. Peter Bernstein said, "The fundamental law of investing is the uncertainty of the future." This means that you can never be sure of what will happen. It doesn't matter how good your research is. You will never be completely right. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.